What I wish I knew before starting minimalism. Well, 5 years ago, I started my minimalism journey. And oh boy, it feels like yesterday. I decided to reduce from 8,000 items. Can you believe it? I owned that much items. I was a hoarder. I used to really collect things from CDs, DVDs, manga, and books, everything. And I reduced to 360 items only in 2 years. I literally had a bag behind my room door, and whenever someone comes to me to visit, they would check that bag and take whatever they like. It was not clear where is the destination or end result of my minimalism journey will take me. Consider me a friend when I say now my awareness of the topic took a different road. And I will take your hand through it. Not in a cheesy way or anything, but I will tell you basically what I wish I knew. So let's dive into it, shall we? The number one thing, it's okay to ruin things and go back. Don't be too harsh on yourself, really. At any point, you may make a mistake or buy something you don't need, but just don't give up because of that. It's okay to keep making mistakes until it becomes a habit or a lifestyle. And seriously, people who don't tell you that minimalism is a lifestyle and a habit of its own, they did not tell you the full truth. Remember, these changes and that lifestyle is here to serve you and not to become a burden on you or drive you crazy. Actually, minimalism was there to make life simple. So if it's complicating your life, then maybe your approach to it is not correct. And honestly speaking, stop comparing yourself to someone else's minimalism journey. It will only harm you and pressure you. So let it go and embrace your own journey. Second thing I wish I knew is you don't have to look like a minimalist. The minimal imagery is taking over the online platform now, with people only wearing black and white and grays and neutrals, owning only things in a certain color palette, which tricks people into thinking that they are not minimal enough if they're not looking the same. It took me time to accept that minimalism is more actions and decisions and habits rather than just aesthetics. Though it's so important to know your style and to avoid shopping aimlessly and have a certain palette and everything, but if your style is hobo or luxury and not like black and white minimal, then that doesn't mean you should change your style to become a minimalist. Your belongings, what minimizes your lifestyle and not how you look like. Third is quality over quantity. I always neglected the quality and ran after marketing campaigns and advertisements. I would buy from the same brand, and same style, different colors of a t-shirt, different styles of t-shirts, so because the label really attracted me. But how the item looked was more important to me than anything else. And I realized that owning a few items of quality would be more rewarding than going back and forth to find the item I got and didn't live for long enough in my belongings and lost its quality. Because honestly speaking, I would rather have a good pair of jeans for 2 years than buy 4 in the year. Also, sustainability wise for the environment, that's not a good idea. Habits are more important than downsizing. If you're planning to only get rid of the things you need, but keep going on aimless shopping trips or shop every time there's a sale, then you will never achieve the results you are aiming for. Ask yourself why I'm buying this. Will it fit my lifestyle? I am going to use it soon. I now keep things packed until I use them. And if I don't use it, I return it right away. Yeah, I keep the label on it until usage. Also, it helps a lot to keep an item in your wish list and see if you forget about it. Then definitely you don't need it. You don't need to go buy it. Defining needs differ. Don't measure what will be in your belongings over another YouTuber or influencer, even if that's me. Each person has needs and habits that differ. I was lost as I would choose the items I saw others keep to realize that I don't use them or need them at the end, which kills the purpose of this lifestyle. Minimalism is a lifestyle that lets you understand yourself more, knowing what to use and need more than others, so never make it hard on yourself. Basically, yeah, seeing lists of what others keep might inspire you, but not necessarily help you. So make your own list, I would say. And don't forget, have fun. This lifestyle is all about what really matters. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Comment down below what you wish you knew before minimalism. Comment down below if you're starting minimalism. I'd love to hear from you and support you more. And best of luck. Don't forget to check my blog post about minimalism if you're more into reading. And share this video with others that you think it might benefit them. Bye!